Nongelam ka UDP bat nong aibot katanan social welfare ubak polling do hakalai phoi trik naitung ulapen ksan baka jingpen kan ria ikinong syong di dukan madan na kendai lan kadai kabalale kat kum kaplan balapen kret lupa ban aja ka syawai pan bat om basup kendang jubor nga smoke men shibun bangalong kabenta jong kaniga kinhun ban kmi hakabaya day bat ka jingpen kan ria ikinong syong di madan kenang ban pen keluat ya kathan kendai lan bat kabadai ru kabenta jungi kampen roisar kabapaka hakaba ngila plishwai kilat kidenti na kabenta jongki hakajaka ban syukendang ong ubak pol ula ong ru baya kajaka kabathamai na kabenta kinongsyong di madan kadai kajingtei kapaladon ni kibabun kijingdon kam kijaka balapen bet thamai kiladon ya baro kijingdon kam kum ka boarding kajaka let chabar bar kijingada na kabenta kimar kimata jongki kinong syong dukan kiyo ru ya kajingada ni kiriu baman na marbalatay bahaya kini jaka syong di jingdi ula ong haba jubab halor kijing keno halor kijing long jingman jong ka kindai lan uba pol ula ong ba kijing pen pau jing kipat ba kidan halai ki jong ki rukam pen sngo haba kinong syong di madan kilami no na katika jaka ki beriu kila ong ba kindai lat kala kenja palan menta haba kinong tem kinong ruai kilarung ki ong ba kendai lat kala sawa jam palan kumtai ki bakum ki e ki bapikwa ula bu jingkli.
Well, I'm happy that I was part of the team. I was instrumental in getting the entire Kandai line stretch vacated. And this is only a part of wholesome urban development where we do not throw people away, but we construct alternative spaces for them. And those spaces have all facilities, water, electricity, and they are washroom facilities, and their produce and the sellers are also protected from the elements because these are well constructed shelters. Well, when the vendors first moved, people said Kendailat has become too quiet. Now, when musicians move in, you say Kendailat has become too noisy. So, what option do